YouTube. Well, today is day 10 of Carson's and my great ice cream adventure. We just spent it here in Old Forge at the Water Safari Park. We got here first thing in the morning. We got here like, I don't know, 10 o'clock. Rides all open up at 10:30, and it's been pretty much pouring rain all day. Right now it's just a late drizzle, but there's all kinds of stuff. We filled the whole day, and we both did the green one, which is the, what's it called? The Black Mamba? Was it Mamba Strike? It's one of those ones where the trap door falls out from underneath you, and the first 100 feet or so you invent swear words. And it screams through and you slam down here at the end. I didn't do the other one, which is just a straight shot. This black one over here, that's the Curse of the Silverback, and you go around that bowl before you get sucked down the drain. I went around 4 times, which the guy at the top said was pretty amazing. It's a matter of momentum, I guess. But there's the Raging Rapids, which is this thing over here. Carson did this green one here about, oh, I don't know, a gazillion times.
It was really fun. Trust me.
He says it was really fun. He met some kids his age. They all sort of teamed up and did a lot of this together. There's a couple of different floats around. We stayed at the campground that's connected. Took a shuttle over, and we'll take the shuttle back. But it's you buy the tickets over there, and it's a considerable discount. Online, you get a couple bucks off. At the campground, you get a lot off. I'm not sure what it cost me, but so anyway, you can also do a thing they call Splash Cash. I just turn mine in. It's a wristband with put some money on it. It's good for food or any of the things around here. So now we're going to leave the park and walk across the street to a place called Pied Piper for some ice cream, because this is day 10 of the ice cream tour. So yeah, it's a good idea to wear shoes here. There's all this concrete. It's pretty rough. My feet are a little tore up, but all right, so we'll pick you up when we get to the ice cream. Okay, the real name is Enchanted Forest Water Safari, and right across the street is the Pied Piper ice cream stand. They do have food, but right now only the cooks got day off, so we don't get it. So this is Sunday number 10.
I already ate my cherry. I love cherry, so I had.
So let's dig in. I like that they drizzled the hot fudge across the top. Well, pretty good right off the start, and I'm gonna leave you guys, and we're gonna enjoy this, and we'll get back to you. Okay, so now that we're done, we can talk about it. A lot of ice cream. They really filled the dish up. A decent amount of hot fudge, although it wasn't like it was all the way down the side, so we did run out of hot fudge before we ran out of ice cream. But that's not that bad a thing. It was really good. Just the right amount of whipped cream, and they put a little bit of hot fudge across the top. What did you think?
It was good.
So the ice cream was, it was a soft serve again, and It was nice and creamy, had a real good vanilla flavor to it. So this is number 10. So this is the 10th one of the 10-day tour. And in the next video, we will give you a backwards countdown of all 10 places that we went to and let you know what we liked the best and what we liked the least and all along the way. And I think that's about it for this one.
Yep.
We're both a little tired because, you know, it's hard work doing all that fun. All right. So, see you later, YouTube.